In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Chime bank account. Head to chime.com or head to the application. As you can see right here, get on the top right corner, click get started. You can see that first of all, you have to pass a human verification. After doing so, you will be prompted with this page. In this page, you can apply for the Chime bank account. In the application process, make sure that you enter every single detail correctly or you'll be rejected. After filling your name, your last name, also your email address, you'll be prompted to enter your birthday. After doing so, you'll be prompted to actually enter your phone number. Please make sure that you don't use a VoIP as you will be banned directly. One thing before we proceed on the video, I would like you to know that Chime is only available for US residents. It's not a bank, but a financial technology company. It's a banking service and debit card are provided by the bank core bank. So basically it's built on top of another bank and it's only available in the US. So after making that in mind, I don't have a US mobile phone number. But if you were to enter your phone number right here, you will be prompted with a page where you have to verify your ID, address, and you will be good to go. Then you can get your Chime credit card directly to your home. That's basically it for today's video and goodbye.